Vacuum Sealer. The Nesco Deluxe Food VS12 Vacuum Sealer is the ultimate tool for preserving freshness and reducing waste. With a powerful 130-watt motor, it delivers reliable air seals for meats, vegetables, and more. The built-in viewing lid ensures precise bag placement for optimal sealing. Multiple sealing options, including dry, moist, and double seal, provide versatility for various food types. The included starter kit of bags lets you start sealing right away. Its compact design and intuitive controls make it easy to use and store. Durable and efficient, it's perfect for meal prep, bulk storage, or sous vide cooking. Keep your food fresher longer with the Nesco VS12 Vacuum Sealer.